made it to church. All the time. God is good. Especially when they're not having their own Sunday school classes. So today we're having it together, and Pastor chose Sera to do story time. She shared about Jesus, but I'll get into tell you guys a little bit about it later on. So right now, Pastor's about to preach, but he's gonna sing us a song that is near to his heart. You already know what the deal is. Church is finished, and we're trying to sort out what we're gonna eat, where we're gonna go. That's where we're going. So fam, we'll check in with you guys later. We'll check in with you guys soon. Hey baby, you done well on story time, love. You done well.
Praise God.
Alright family, so we decided to come to and get Chinese What'd you get, Us?
I got honey chicken, Singapore noodles, fried rice, and a water. Right? Because water.
Delicious. What about yourself, my love?
I'm being such a fat. I got honey chicken with fried rice and seafood noodle soup that I always get when I come here.
And I got beef brisket and mine's on the way. And the sisters, they got some soup, some Indian samosa.
Got a lamb.
Is it samosa?
Yes.
Samosa. It's about 3:37, and as you can see, my passenger side is empty. And I'm actually going to a secret location. I think it's better if I show you when I get there, if I'm allowed to vlog in there. But I'll just take little snippets as there's only a bit of a time frame for me to get into this location and sponge everything. So yeah, all I gotta say is that I've wanted to do this for a little while now, but I've always been shy and the opportunity came up. Yeah, so I'm headed there now. Alright fam, so stick around and I'll let you know what's going on when we get there. Alright fam.
Samoa la watu nukubele Elenga lo taimi faingata Tuma pea lo ngangana Fausia pea lo Fa'amalosi Sera mana tua pea Aganu'u Fa'asamoa Fa'alolo itangata matutua Fa'abahe oile atua Awala maiteko
Alright family, so we finished our one-day seminar for Aganu'u Fa'asamoa 101. My man Jenkins, how was it, my man?
No, it was me, mate. It's good. It's good to learn that experience and understand what it's about.
Yeah. And it was good to come in here and see someone that I know. You know, we're on the same level in so many ways. Oh, just not height maybe, but you know. Yeah, no, it's definitely good. So would you come to the next class?
Yeah, for sure, man. Yeah, understand
That's cool. I'm gonna come here with the old shit. What's this one? Yes.
Another plane.
Oh,
coming in the blueprint.
sign them up, boys.
Hey, tana palava malo so for mo malangi mahi. Just want to go shout out to Tuxx and Sera. Just thank you very much for supporting me part of this journey. Good to see you finally make it. Fighting all those years, but good to have you on board, bro. Just a shout out to everyone and just really blessed to be back in Melbourne. So hopefully you guys will be there for our next time. We're in the next couple of weeks.
So where are you going to next?
So we're in back to Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Melbourne, and then we're in England and then Las Vegas.
So fam, wherever you are, all over the world, if you are watching, please sign up to their class. It's very, very good. You'll learn so much. Like we just had this one-day course and we learned so much. So yeah, keep doing what you're doing, my man. And fam, get on to them. Aganu'u Fa'asamoa. Let's go.
Thank you.
Hi, could I please get a venti caramel frappuccino?
Of course, the one that without coffee.
Without coffee, please.
Without coffee?
Yep.
Yeah, and did you want whipped cream?
Yes, please.
No worries. Okay.
Thank you very much. Alright family, so finally made it home, back to my love with, Starbucks.
So good, so good, so good.
I know my wife loves Starbucks. She's always like nagging me, honey, should we go Starbucks? Should we go Starbucks? So I thought, why not, on my way home, bring her some Starbucks. Unfortunately, I got her the wrong one. I got her a mocha frappuccino instead of
That's so good. Just a normal coffee frappuccino.
Normal coffee frappuccino, but I didn't want to get her too much caffeine because she's very sensitive with that. She'll be like, honey, no, honey, stay up with me, honey. Yeah, and I just went with the caramel cream frappuccino. So yes, guys, we're about to close this vlog, but before I go, if you do like this vlog, please give it a thumbs up.
Just like this, and it's down over here. Click it and like it.
Click it and like it. And yes family, as always, God bless you all. Thank you for your ongoing support. We love you guys. Thank you very much for watching.
If you are new to this channel or you just clicked onto our channel and you're watching this vlog, make sure you subscribe down to our family, because it's he and his family. We love you. We want you to join our family. And
don't forget, guys,
like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Bye.